welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine's World, and I of course am your host, Jasmine. And today what we're going to be doing is using the Curls Blueberry Bliss line, and I'm super excited. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. Okay guys, I'm starting on an old wash and go, and first things first, I'm just going to wet my hair as you see me doing here with the shower head. And yep, just wetting it. Now I'm just moving on to washing my hair. I used a different product while shampooing, so I didn't tell you guys what I was using because it's not a part of the line. After I washed my hair, I put in my reparative mask and I used my wet brush to detangle. I re-wet my hair and I love the smell of this. It was amazing. All the products smell extremely well. And then I just placed the reparative mask all over my hair before sectioning and detangling and applying more product. So after I detangled each section and put them in twists, I put on my shower cap and then I used my attachable hood for my dryer, and I sat under there for a little over 15 minutes just so this mask could really set in. After taking off my cap, I then began to rinse out the deep conditioner and detangle once more just to hit any spots that I felt like needed a little bit more detangling, especially my roots. And yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Now my hair is fully detangled on both sides and fully saturated with water. It is now time to put in my leave-in conditioner. When I tell y'all the slip went crazy, like it melted like butter into my hair. It was amazing. As you could see from my facial expression, these are real honest reactions. Like, oh my gosh, I love this product. Okay guys, so now I'm just brushing the product through, and I'm going to do this exact same thing on the other side, and I'm going to add a little bit more product to this as well. Okay, so this is my hair after both sides have been raked through with the leave-in conditioner. Alright, now I'm beginning to put the curl control jelly in, and as you can see, this stuff is amazing as well. Look at my reaction, y'all. I was so shocked and so excited because I just knew my curls were gonna pop after this. Okay guys, I just finished putting on their jelly, y'all. I just finished putting on this control curl jelly, and what the heck, it looks so good. I was not expecting it to look this good. Like, I'm kind of shook right now. Like, I knew that these products were black owned and that they would, you know, somewhat be good, but I didn't know that they would blow me out the water like this. It is kind of turning into a foam. If y'all could hear this like ASMR, y'all would understand what I'm saying. But I'm shook. Like, my hair looks so good right now. I'm so sure. Okay guys, so let's get into these products. The first product I want to talk about is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. It was really thick, but had a lot of slip and really helped me detangle very well. So if you have a little bit of trouble detangling your hair, or if you're tender-headed like myself, I recommend this. It's really good. It did not leave my hair as moisturized as I thought, so that was a little bit saddening for me, but I really enjoyed the product still. It's definitely in my tops and I would definitely be repurchasing. I really enjoyed this one. Okay, so the next product that I used in the shower was my reparative leave-in conditioner from the same line. It had a lot of slip. I really enjoyed this product. Like, it was really good. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing. I have used it before, but it was like a long time ago when I was transitioning from my heat damage, and I was just applying it to the ends of my hair and not the whole of it. So I didn't know exactly how it would perform in this situation, but it worked really well in the shower. I really enjoyed it, so I recommend this product as well. Okay, so the third and final product that I use from the Curl's Blueberry Bliss line is the Curl Control Jelly. Yes, this stuff was really well in the shower. Like, it really had a lot of slip as well, which I feel like everything did. But I feel like as soon as it hit the water with my hair, it kind of turned into like a foam. Like, it definitely clumped my curls together and it helped to get rid of that frizz like it claims to do. I really do like this product, but I used a bunch of it. I used a bunch. The only thing about this product was when I got out after I took the towel off of my hair, I needed to reapply. And that's why I used so much of this product on the first use. So just be aware of that. Maybe I just need to try it outside of the shower. Maybe it's not a shower product. It does say it needs to be applied on wet hair, but it didn't say soaking wet. So maybe I need to try it outside of the shower. But all in all, it was a good product. With all of those things being said, I just want to say that I really enjoy these products. This is what my hair looks like after the fact. I went to sleep with a pineapple in my hair last night, and I've had a workout this morning that was high intensity, as well as showering with steam and stuff. And this is what it looks like. I really think that it may last 3 to 4 days, just simply because of the gel not being as strong held as I'm used to. So I'm not sure how long it will last. It's not. I really enjoy these products. I will say that they're a 9.5 out of 10, simply because of the gel and just having to reapply and use so much. But I do recommend that you go out and purchase them. You can get them on their website, which I will link below, as well as your local Target. They do sell their products, as well as their vitamins and their hair growth serum oil stuff. So long story short, yes, go out and support this Black-owned brand. They're amazing. Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching yet another one of my videos. I hope that it was helpful as well as educational for you guys. Please be sure to follow me on my Instagram to follow live updates on what my hair is doing, as well as don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post new content. Have a blessed day.